Good morning, friends. Well, Southern California is in the middle of a massive June heat wave, so you know that combined with the fact that Adam is currently rocking his crazy jungle short situation means that today we are in search of a waterfall. Now, we're currently in the Sequoia Kern River area, and today's adventure is completely off trail. We are in search of a hidden waterfall that goes by several different names depending on who you ask. It's either Salmon Creek Falls or, Adam's preference, Valhalla Falls. He likes to consider himself a Viking. Either way, this waterfall, if we can find it, should be glorious, and we are so excited to give this a go. I'm sure that most of you observing Adam's ensemble this morning may think that he just rolled out of bed, put on whatever he could find. Oh no, let me tell you, Adam is so proud of this moment right now. Can you see the color of his socks and how they match his shorts? I know you too well that you are just way too stoked on that.
I love these shorts because, as you know, the uglier something is, the more I love it. Because someone has to, Elise. Someone has to love the ugly things in life.
Is that a reference to me?
And so I got socks to match the shorts.
Okay.
Well, you guys might be wondering, seeing me pouring sweat already, why on earth are we wearing tights when it's 90 degrees outside? But the reason is potential poison oak. I got poison oak so bad on our last couple of waterfall hikes that I just said, I don't care how much I'm sweating, it's better than poison oak. That shade's nice, isn't it, Elise?
I will take that all day if I could. You could go here. It's your favorite part of the day, the wildflowers.
Well, with this crazy heat, they won't be around for much longer.
I know,
honestly,
that's so true.
Wildflower season's going to be short if it stays 90 and above like this.
Jeez Louise. Gotta get them while you can.
Okay guys, well, we're basing this entire thing on a single trip report.
Yeah.
And we knew that the little use trail was going to peter out. And it has.
It has.
So now it's going to be pure scrambling. We're just going to try to take the way that seems the least lethal.
Always take the least lethal route.
Which I think will involve just staying lower near the water because, you know, it's less far to fall. And it's beautiful and a little bit cooler too.
I'm down for a little bit of spicy scrambling. Guys, it's butterflies! Yeah. This water's definitely a good omen for the falls. Even this fall is incredible.
Beautiful. Wow!
Crazy!
Awesome!
That's not even a major waterfall!
No. Super cool.
That's awesome!
Yeah, really nice. Elise, how pretty is this hike?
This is incredible.
Incredible.
I can't believe no one's here.
It's
What is going on?
I hope this is coming out on camera. It's the way the light's hitting all the falls.
Oh my god, I'm getting a glimpse of the falls. It looks insane.
Seated all right.
Holy crap!
Oh my gosh, I really hope this is coming out of the camera. Valhalla Falls.
Valhalla Falls!
There is like mist coming up.
Wow! I truly feel like we reached Valhalla.
There is a swimming hole to beat all swimming holes. We've got to go in.
Are we going in?
Oh yeah.
We're definitely going in. That is some icy water! Oh no! Oh no!
It's cold water.
Oh my God. I thought for sure since it was so hot climbing up here that I would be like, yeah, I'm getting in, but now we're in the shade and I'm just like, oh my God.
It's still cold. But we gotta go in there.
Yeah.
It's gonna be epic. Elise, are you going?
I guess so.
Do it!
It's really rocky. I don't know how to do it.
Don't be a baby, swim it! Are you a good swimmer? Go! I don't know. Yes! How is it? Should I come? Okay, I'm going in. Oh, that's so cool. Whoa! Woo! Wow! Oh my God! Yes!
Yeah, right? Crazy.
Wow, you guys can see this waterfall.
So cool.
Wow! You going in?
We're going in it.
Hope you guys love this one. Waterfall season is in full swing.
Yes, it is. We'll see you guys next time.
See you guys next time.